Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to talk about evaluating expressions when we have any type of variable expression here. So first thing I want to do is I want to make sure that I have a set number of variables in here, and I actually am told that x in this case is equal to -8. So every time I see an x, I'm going to replace that x value with the number -8. So I'm going to substitute in, and the way I substitute is I use parentheses. So this will then become -8 squared minus 3 times -8, and then plus 11. Okay? And then I just follow my order of operations. So I go to my grouping symbols first. I have nothing to complete within my grouping symbols. I then look to my exponents. I have one set of exponents, -8 to the second power. That is actually -8 times -8, which ends up becoming 64. Here you have to be very specific and particular. -3 times -8. That actually ends up becoming a positive 24. And then plus 11, there's nothing else there. So I actually went to my next set with multiplication, division, and I'm finally down to addition and subtraction. So from here, I'm just going to add a group of terms at a time. So 64 and 24 becomes 88 plus 11, and then 88 plus 11 is equal to 99. Okay? Next quick example, and I pull this one up for a specific reason. A lot of times we get confused with this negative sign in front of the variable, okay? Actually, what's there is a -1. So I'm going to write that in and then substitute my x. I'm going to substitute 3 in for x. So that becomes 3 squared plus 7 times 3 minus 4 times -2, and then plus 13. Apologize, I ran out of room, okay? Now I go through with my order of operations. So I see I have an exponent here. 3 squared is what I take care of first. I'm not going to multiply it by that -1 first. Okay, I got to take care of exponents. -1 times 9, because 3 squared is 9, plus 21, and then here we have a negative times a negative, plus 8, plus 13. Now I'll take care of this multiplication here. I have -9 plus 21 plus 8 plus 13, and now I can just add left to right. -9 plus 21 becomes positive 12, plus 8 is 20, and then 20 plus 13 ends up becoming positive 33.